In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80072efd. So without any further ado, let's dive then quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to press Windows key and R key together. In this way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for reset.exe and then click on the OK button to continue. So you need to wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you to clear the Microsoft Store cache. And once you have done with this, I want you to restart your computer and then check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution, and that is to run for DISM scan. So by that, here at the search box, please type for PowerShell. Or you can also simply use the CMD, sorry. You can also use the CMD, which is the command prompt to run this command. So by that, you need to navigate to the right side and wait until you can see an option called Run as Administrator. So click on it. And at first, I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Please copy and paste it here. So once you have copied that one, okay, you need to paste it here first at the notepad. Control C, then paste it here. Click on the enter key in your keyboard. Wait until this procedure would be finished. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.